Imagine this. You're a die-hard soccer fan, cheering Cristiano Ronaldo as he scores that epic goal in his classic red Portugal kit. But what if, with one clever prompt, you could swap it out for the vibrant blue of the Indian cricket team's jersey, turning him into a cricket superstar mid-celebration? Or picture yourself in a casual hoodie overlooking the mountains, only to magically step onto the Oscars red carpet, tuxedo-clad and holding a golden statuette like you just owned the night. Sounds like movie magic, right? But here's the mind bender. 99% of creators are still editing photos the hard way, layer by layer, when AI can do it in seconds. Today, I'm breaking down 4 game-changing AI image editing techniques: clothing swaps, setting changes, design replacements, and text swaps that'll level up your visuals without touching Photoshop. These aren't just tricks, they're your ticket to viral thumbnails, engaging stories, and faceless content that pops. Welcome back to Padded Vibes, where we dive deep into the creative tools and tricks that make faceless content creation effortless and endlessly fun. If you're nodding along already, smash that like button to let the algorithm know we're onto something big. And stick around till the end for a bonus prompt hack that could transform your next project. Let's make some magic. If you missed our last video on the 6 essential tools for building a faceless YouTube empire, like vidIQ for trend spotting and TubeBuddy for SEO mastery, pause right now and check it out in the playlist. It pairs perfectly with today's edit, because once you have those tools, these AI techniques will make your content look pro without the hassle. Trust me, watching both will supercharge your workflow. Now, let's get into why AI image editing is a faceless creator's best friend. In a world where visuals hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, standing out means blending creativity with speed. Whether you're crafting motivational posters, niche memes, or custom graphics for your videos, these methods let you experiment endlessly, swapping outfits on icons like Ronaldo or teleporting everyday scenes to glamorous backdrops, all without showing your face or breaking a sweat. I've used them on Padded Vibes to create vibe-infused edits that boost engagement by 40%. Turning simple stock images into shareable gold. But the real power, it's accessible to beginners. No coding, no steep learning curve, just smart prompts in free or low-cost AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva Magic Studio. Think about your last failed edit. Was it the tedious masking or mismatched lighting? These techniques fix that. So what's one image you've always wanted to remix? Drop it in the comments, maybe a celeb in your dream outfit, and I'll suggest a prompt to bring it to life. Your ideas could spark the next community challenge. Starting strong with technique number 1, clothing swaps, or what I call jersey jumps for that sporty twist. This is perfect for fan edits or thematic content, like reimagining athletes in unexpected kits. Take the Ronaldo example. Grab a base image of him fist pumping in his Portugal red, then prompt an AI. Make the person in the first image wear the jersey of the Indian cricket team from the second image, keeping the dynamic pose and stadium lighting intact. Boom! The AI seamlessly blends the blue Dream 11 India jersey onto his frame, adjusting fabrics, folds, and colors for realism. I've tested this in Midjourney by uploading both images as references. The result? A hyper-real swap that looks like it was shot on set. Pro tip. Specify details like high resolution, photorealistic, maintain skin tone and expression to avoid glitches. For faceless creators, this shines in sports recap videos, swap team colors to hype rivalries, or create what-if scenarios that rack up shares. Challenge time. Try this prompt yourself with your favorite athlete. What swap would you make? Ronaldo in a basketball uni? Comment your wildest idea below and tag a friend who'd geek out over it. This technique has turned my static graphics into conversation starters, keeping viewers hooked and coming back for more. Building on that seamless blend, technique number 2, changing the setting, which is like teleporting your subject to a whole new world. Picture a chill hike photo, guy in a hoodie against snowy peaks, transformed into an Oscars moment. Make me hold an Oscar in an awards setting. Change my clothes to a tuxedo with dramatic lighting and cheering crowd in the background. The AI not only dresses you up, but relocates the scene to a glittering stage, adding spotlights, velvet ropes, and that electric energy. I ran this through DALL-E 3, emphasizing elegant black tuxedo, golden Oscar in hand, Hollywood glamour vibe, and the output was award-worthy. Why does this rock for faceless channels? It lets you visualize aspirations without personal exposure. Think motivational series where everyday you wins big. Ethical note: always credit inspirations if sharing publicly. I've boosted retention on Powdered Vibes by using these for before and after transitions in videos, teasing the reveal to keep eyes glued. Quick poll: mountains or red carpet? Which setting swap excites you more? Hit the comments with your vote. And if you share this video, you could inspire someone's dream edit. Let's see those reactions roll in. Shifting to product vibes, technique number 3, design replacement, where you insert yourself or elements into branded worlds for fun custom mocks. Ever wanted to star on your favorite biscuit pack? Start with a photo of yourself, then prompt: add me on the packet of Parle-G biscuits, replacing the original model with my face and casual pose, keeping the yellow packaging and glucose biscuit details crisp. Upload your selfie to Stable Diffusion or Photoshop's generative fill, and watch the AI graft your features onto the box, glasses, smile, and all, while preserving logos and textures. It's hilarious for memes or affiliate content like personalized snack hacks. On Padded Vibes, I've swapped faces into everyday items for vibe check skits, spiking comments with "that's me" moments. Advanced twist: layer in bigger and crisper text for that fresh rebrand feel. But heads up, respect trademarks. This is for personal or fair use fun. What's your go-to snack you'd star on? Comment it. Parle-G, Oreos, or something wild. And smash like if this sparked a laugh. Sharing these edits and stories? Do it. Your audience will love the creativity. Finally, technique number 4, text replacement. The subtle powerhouse for movie posters or titles that scream custom. Grab an F1 movie poster with sleek cars and stars, then prompt: replace the F1 the movie text with ta-da-dum-pum from the second image, matching the bold font style and sunset glow while keeping the dynamic racing composition. AI tools like Runway ML handled the typography swap flawlessly, integrating Hindi flair into the Hollywood layout for a Bollywood racing mashup. This is gold for faceless film buffs. Create parody posters that go viral in niche communities. I've used it to remix classics on Padded Vibes, blending cultures for cross-appeal and doubling shares. Pro hack: specify vibrant yellow gradients, italic emphasis on pum for punch. Avoid over-editing, subtlety sells. Movie mashup fan? What's your dream text swap? F1 meets Bollywood blockbuster? Spill in the comments and subscribe for more remix tutorials. We're building a vibe tribe here. To wrap it up, here's your 4-step blueprint to master these techniques and keep your faceless content fresh. Step 1, gather references. Upload clear images to your AI tool of choice. Step 2, craft detailed prompts. Include specifics like lighting and style for pro results. Step 3, iterate and refine. Tweak outputs in free editors like GIMP. Step 4, integrate into videos. Use swaps for hooks that boost watch time. Common pitfall? Vague prompts lead to wonky blends, so be descriptive. Consistent practice turns these into your signature style, growing your channel organically. You've made it. Proof you're committed to leveling up. If these techniques let a creative fire, like this video to spread the vibes, subscribe for weekly AI deep dives, and share with a fellow editor who needs this. Comment AI swap below for a free prompt template emailed your way. First 50 get it. What's your first edit going to be? Let's chat and react in the comments. Thanks for vibing with Padded Vibes. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time.